Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Not just another scar video. Are we really going to go through another scar video? Of course we are. So my patient today is coming back for a second procedure to finish off where we left off. We were able to focus on the frontal 2/3 for the first procedure. Now we're going to focus on the crown. But I wanted to show you guys what a scar here at Natural Transplants looks like. First of all, when brushed out and at a normal length, you cannot see the scar. Now let's go ahead and try to find that scar, or should we say, what scar? So, not even visible. You can look and try to find it and not going to be able to find that scar. And I had the opportunity to shave away the hair over the scar, and this is what we're looking at. A fine pencil line scar. And when you actually see it in pictures, you can't even see this scar. Understanding there are two hair textures. There's straight hair texture like mine, and then there's 3A to 4C hair texture like in many different people. It's important to understand that with fine hair, you can do an FUE procedure. When you have curly hair, it's curly above the skin. It's also curly underneath the skin. So I only recommend the FUT procedure. If you're looking for a hair transplant and you're worried about whether or not you are for an FUE or an FUT, with 3A to 4C hair texture, highly recommend only the FUT. Never recommend the FUE, as you're going to damage the follicular bulbs underneath the hairline or underneath the skin. But here with Natural Transplants, we are focusing on a pencil fine scar. And again, I'm Dr. Siegel. Look forward to answering any questions you have regarding hair transplants.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.